This is just a short video of our visit to Hocking Hills State Park in Ohio. We only spent 2 days at Hocking Hills State Park in Ohio. That definitely wasn't enough time.
There are 6 major hiking trails. We hiked all but the Rim Trail. None of the hikes are hard or very long, but there are a couple with some stairs.
If you love waterfalls like I do, you'll be able to see waterfalls on almost every trail.
The Hocking Hills State Park is located in Logan, Ohio. It's free to visit, but you will pay for camping.
This is the Rock House. The trail is named the same and definitely one of our favorites. We didn't make it over to do any kayaking in Lake Logan, but it's high on our list to do next time. If you feel our video content adds value and you would like to see more, please subscribe and like our video. Hit the bell to be notified of additional content.